Hello students, welcome to our NEET Chemistry Trick channel. So today we are going to see about NEET Chemistry questions. So this is part 28 series. So in that series we are particularly see about the lesson from the redox reaction. Okay. So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also. So then only you will get a notification. Yeah. So let's go to the first question now. The first question is find the reduction reaction from the below. That means they have given the four option here. From that we have to choose. Okay, so here we have to find out the reduction reaction. Okay, that means we have to know first what is oxidation, what is reduction. Okay, got it. So let's see here. I'll give a picture for that. Okay, so here I have given the one example, a reaction that is 2Na plus Cl2 gives the ions of 2Na plus and Cl minus. Got it? So what is, there is a loss of 2 electron here from the sodium metal. So 2Na is getting loss of 2 electron. If the electrons are lost, you will get a plus sign here. Correct? So 2Na plus you will get, and also here Cl2. So this Cl2 is gaining a 2 electron. That means reduction. Okay. So if it is gaining an electron, you will get a minus sign. So 2 minus is a ions it will form. Okay, if the loss of 2 electron means it is oxidation, if gaining of 2 electron means it is a reduction. So gaining of electron is going to be a reduction, otherwise loss of electron is going to be oxidation. Okay, so it is a general thing about the oxidation reduction. Got it? So today we are going to see about what is that reduction reaction we have to find out from this option. Right, so for that we have to know what is oxidation reaction, what is reduction reaction, how it is happening with the substance. If we take the one substance, okay, with the addition of oxygen and otherwise the electronegative element, there is addition of oxygen with the substance, otherwise the addition of electronegative element with the substance, so it's going to be a oxidation reaction. Otherwise there is a removal of hydrogen with the one of the starting material substance, otherwise the removal of electropositive element from the substance. So that is going to be a oxidation reaction. Okay, addition of oxygen, electronegative element, otherwise removal of hydrogen, electropositive element from the substance. So this is going to be a oxidation reaction. Okay, what about the reduction reaction? So then only you can able to find out the reduction reaction, no? So just see here, removal of oxygen from the substance. Okay, if any substance if they give, so from that substance if we removing the oxygen, otherwise if we removing the electronegative element, okay, so that is going to be a reduction reaction. Okay, got it. And also the addition of hydrogen with the substance and also the electropositive element to the substance, that is going to be a reduction reaction. Got it. So let's check with the option now. So what are the options? First they gave, what is that, 2 mg plus O2 gives 2 mg. What is happening here? See this reaction only you can able to find out. It is the adding a oxygen atom here. Got it? So 2 mg plus O2 gives what we got? It is addition reaction 2 mgO. We got the addition of oxygen. So what is that into? See this definition here, addition of oxygen is going to be a oxidation reaction. It won't be a reduction. Got it? So it is not a correct answer. What about the second reaction, removal of hydrogen, I think so. So see this substance here, H2S plus Cl2 gives, so this hydrogen is removing from the H2S. Okay, so then this hydrogen is react with the Cl, we will get the product of 2HCl plus S. Okay, 2HCl plus S. Okay, so there is a removal of hydrogen here. Got it? So see this definition here, there is a removal of hydrogen, it belongs to oxidation reaction, it won't be a reduction. Okay, what about the third one? Mg plus Cl2 gives MgCl2. What is happening actually? This is electronegative element, no? This electronegative element adding with Mg, so we got the MgCl2, addition of electronegative element. So let's check with the definition, addition of electronegative element. Okay, so there is a addition of electronegative element, is going to be oxidation, it won't be reduction. What about the last one? Maybe it's going to be a reduction because all the three is wrong. So what about the fourth one? Let's check, addition of metal. Okay, I think there is, see here, that mercury is there, no? Mercury chloride 2 MgCl2 plus SnCl2 gives the, what is that? Reduction of mercury chloride. That means Hg2Cl2. There is a reduction of mercury chloride and SnCl4. Okay. So what is that? It is into a reduction. There is a reduction of mercury here. So that only we got Hg twice Cl2. Okay. This is the product we got. So the fourth option is the correct answer. That is what? It is the correct reduction reaction for this given in the option. Okay, so the fourth option is the correct correct reduction reaction. Okay, given below the questions. Okay, so this is the correct option. Okay, let's go to the second question now. The second question is, see here, see this question here. Balance the following redox reaction by oxidation number method. Okay, so we have to balance the given redox reaction. This is a reduction. What does mean by redox reaction? We know, that is, we have studied in the 11th standard, know the reaction which both are having. That means we know about oxidation and reduction. So oxidation and reduction takes place in the one reaction, that is called what? Reduction reaction, that we know, right? So in the following redox reaction, so we have to balance it using the oxidation number method. Okay, so we have to using the oxidation method, we have to balance these reaction in the acid medium. Okay, they have given the equation, that is MnO2 plus Br minus gives Mn2 plus Br2 plus H2O. So this is in a acid medium. Okay, so we have to balance this reaction with the oxidation number method. Okay, so they have given a 4 option here. From that we have to choose one option. Let's check with the option. Okay, so what is the oxidation number method? We have to write the first skeleton equation, you know, right? No, right? What is the steps we have to follow for the oxidation number method? We have to write the first step, that is, we have to write the skeleton equation. That means what they have given in the question, no, that we have to write. Okay, skeleton equation we have to write. Then indicate the oxidation number in the each element. We have to indicate the oxidation number for the each element. Then calculate the decreasing and increasing oxidation number as per the atom. Okay, so we have to balance the atom other than the oxygen and hydrogen atom. Okay, so next step is balance the hydrogen and oxygen atom H2O molecule using the hit and trial method. So these are the rules we have to follow for the oxidation number method that we have seen. Okay, so now we have to check with the particular this question. Okay, so in the question they have given here MnO2 plus Br minus gives Mn2 plus, okay, plus Br2 plus H2O. This is a given here. So the same thing only we have to write for the first step, that is skeleton equation. Okay, so what about the second step we have to follow? The second step is assign the oxidation number, okay, and find the change in the oxidation number for the atom undergoing the oxidation and reduction. That means what is oxidation is happening, what is reduction is happening in the particular reaction, that we have to write. Okay, so if you see here, the Br minus is having only one electron here, minus 1. There is a loss of 1 electron, so that only we got Br2 here. Okay, this is the way you have to write in the second step. We have to assign the oxidation number. First we have to write the skeleton equation. Then second we have to write the oxidation number, how it is, oxidation is happening, how the reduction is happening. So the minus 1 oxidation state is, so the loss of 1 electron, so that only we got the 0 oxidation state. That means so that only we got Br2 here. So there is a oxidation. So what about here in the Mn, no, we have plus 4 oxidation state. If we going, there is a gaining of 2 electron here, so that only we got 2 plus here, gaining of 2 electron. Okay, right? No, gaining of 2 electron, that means so that only we got a plus 2 here, plus 4. From that plus 4, if we subtract minus 2, we will get plus 2, no, correct? So that only we have written here Mn2 plus. Okay, what about the next step? The third step is equalize the change in oxidation number. Okay, for the both atoms and multiplying the suitable integer balance of the number atoms other than the oxygen and nitrogen. That means what here? So equalize the change in oxidation number means we have to see the both side, left side and right side. We have to see if any changes is there, we have to make it. So see here, this Br is having 2, Br2 no, but here we don't have. See no, we don't have no, Br minus only is there, but here Br2 is there. So we have to equalize the both side. For that we have to write what? Here 2 is there, so that only I have put 2 here. So that the third step was equalize the change into oxidation number. Okay, I have done no. So whatever the next step, that is the add the H plus and water to balance oxygen and hydrogen in the acid medium. So acid medium means what? It's H plus no. The reaction is happening in the acid medium. In the question they have mentioned here, that is in the acid medium. So we have to write in the acid medium, so that I have added here H plus, so that only we got what? H2O. Okay, so in the H2O you can see no, this H2O, okay, there is a 2 hydrogen molecule. So for that we have to write 2 here. If we write 2, what happened? So here also see the oxygen is 2, here the oxygen is 1, here we need 2 hydrogen, so that only we have write here 2. If we write 2, here 4 will come no, 2 into 2 4 will come no, so that only we have write in the acid medium 4H plus. So here for the hydrogen is O2 here, so for the equalize the oxygen I have written here 2. So 2O is there, correct. The equalization for the change is correct, for the oxidation number is change is correct for the left side and right side oxygen atom. And what about the hydrogen also having 4 here, and this side also 4 here, so it is equalized no. Now okay, so now we got the final the equation. What is that? MnO2 plus 2 Br minus plus 4H plus gives Mn2 plus and Br2 plus 2H2O. So this is a balanced equation. Okay, so that only from this option we are choosing the this one. What is that? First one, MnO2 plus 2 Br minus, okay, 4H plus gives Mn2 plus Br2 plus 2H2O. So this is the correct answer for this question. So first option is a correct answer for this question. Okay students, I think you have understood all the question and answer. Let's see in the next video. So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. Yeah, thank you.